Good morning everyone. Myself Naina Pandit Kale from B.Ed second year semester 3rd. Today I am representing my topic, that is chemical reaction and equation. So moving forward, what is chemical reaction, how they occur? First of all, we have to know that. So a chemical reaction is a process where the reactant gets converted into product which may under influence of catalyst. The word equation shows change of reactant to product through an arrow placed between them. The reactant are written on the left hand side with a plus sign between them. Similarly, product are written on the right side with a plus sign. So arrowhead points towards the product. Next is how do we identify a chemical reaction? There are four factors which identify the chemical reaction. First, change in state, change in color, change in temperature, and evaluation of gas. So I diagrammatically indicate the signs of chemical reaction, in which change in color, change in odor, production of new gases or vapors, input or release of energy difficult to reverse. So according to law of conservation of mass, matter can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Next, there are four types of chemical reaction, simply five types, including redox reaction. So first is combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and redox reaction. So moving for this, I represent diagrammatically this type of chemical reaction, that is four type of reaction. So next is the combination. First one reaction is a combination reaction. This type of reaction occur when two reactants combine to form one or more product. Here example are given: calcium oxide when treated with water, calcium hydroxide form, and when carbon is reacted with oxygen gives carbon dioxide. These reactions are generally exothermic in nature and evolution of heat during the reaction. Here I represent diagrammatically the calcium oxide reaction, and second image showing the two different color, in which color change indicates the reaction is done, and next image indicates the two hydrogen molecule when react with oxygen molecule gives water molecule. Next reaction is decomposition reaction. The type of reaction in which a single reactant break down to give simpler product are called decomposition reaction, where two water molecule broken down into two hydrogen plus one oxygen molecule. When decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is known as thermal decomposition. Here is decomposition reaction look like. Next is single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction occur when another element in a compound is replaced by an element. So here general reaction I written here, a general reaction in which A plus Bx gives Ax plus B. An example are potassium plus NaCl when treated, then KCl plus sodium is formed. Next, single displacement reaction. Here is the some example which shows a single displacement reaction, which are when potassium reacted with water, it's formed potassium hydroxide. Magnesium react with copper nitrate gives magnesium nitrate plus copper molecule. Then zinc when reacted with hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride. Chlorine when treated with calcium iodide give calcium chloride. Next is double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction is a type of reaction where part of one reactant is replaced by another reactant. Here diagram shows when copper sulfate is treated with NaOH gives Na2SO4 and copper hydroxide. Similarly, when copper sulfate is treated with ferrous sulfate, so ferrous sulfate and copper sulfate exchange their metal and shows double displacement reaction. Here is some examples are given, such as KBr when treated with silver nitrate, then sodium sulfate treated with strontium chloride and hydrochloric acid, and then sodium sulfide. Next is redox reaction. Here redox reaction are those in which reduction and oxidation both takes place simultaneously. That is, one substance is reduced while other gets oxidized. So here two diagrams and examples are given. That means when A is reacted with B, it gives A positive plus B negative. It means by giving one electron to the B molecule, gain of electron, that means its reduction, and when A loses electron, that means oxidation. Similarly, when zinc metal reacted with copper 2 plus iron, that is oxidizing agent, so by transferring electrons from zinc to copper, it get oxidized and zinc get reduced. Next, thank you so much for attending my PPT. Thank you.